In today's video, we will learn colors in English. Let's get started. Red. Red. Objects with red color. Apple. Strawberry. Green. Green. Objects with green color. Leaf. Broccoli. Blue. Blue. Objects with blue color. Butterfly. Blue whale. Yellow. Yellow. Objects with yellow color. Lemon. School bus. Pink. Pink. Objects with pink color. Balloon. Cotton candy. Black. Black. Objects with black color. Coal. Crow. Purple. Purple. Objects with purple color. Flower. Aubergine. Brown. Brown. Objects with brown color. Trunk. Chocolate. Orange. Orange. Objects with orange color. Orange. Carrots. Gray. Gray. Objects with gray color. Dolphin. Rocks. Beige. Beige. Objects with beige color. Hat. Coat. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.